The simple modern kids water bottle with straw is made with BPA-Free Tritan Plastic from Eastman, making it durable and lightweight. Assortment of Patterns. Find a pattern to match your child's personality. Cleaning care. All kids' plastic cups, water bottles, and lids are dishwasher safe on the top rack. Cupholder Friendly. The Kids Summit water bottle fits most cup holders with a base diameter of 2.9 inches. We exist to give generously. Simple Modern is built on serving you, offering remarkable value, and giving more than 10% of profit. All products are covered by a limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing quality. Look no further. This is by far the best water bottle brand I have ever gotten for my daughter. Having a 15-month-old spill her water in the car and all over herself all the time with spill-proof sippy cups have been a nightmare. Her Simply Modern 10 ounces bottle is perfect in size, easy to hold, leak-proof and efficient for her to drink without spilling, sometimes even upside down. It is a beautiful design and amazing quality for the price. It even comes wrapped up nicely upon arrival. Everything comes apart for the dishwater and holds up well. I have a thermos from them and it keeps her water cold all day. I will never use another brand again. If you want a great on-the-go or at-home beverage holder for your child, look no further, you have found it.